I'm Tiffany.
I'm John.
And this is our
$400 buy from Ikea.
Yes, so we are crazy. We bought like so many things, and due to it always being environmental friendly, we had to bring our own paper bags. We actually bought 3 dining chairs, but right now I'm gonna show you the little gifty nifties that we bought for our new house. Starting on from what John has been holding. What is this?
This is a clothes cover for winter clothes.
He has a lot of winter clothes. I also have a lot of winter clothes. And all the things that we'll show is no categories. You just pull out whatever is from the bag. He has a big bag too. Show to everyone. Oh,
I have another clothes cover as well. And 3 more clothes cover as well. Zing, 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 zing. And nothing else.
Nothing else? Oh,
Yep.
That's fast from that.
I'm done.
This is a toilet towel hang rack. So we don't really have a rack, rather we have one, but we need another one because the two of us want to hang our towels. So we bought this. I hope it really sticks to the wall really well because it actually just uses
Suction cup.
Ta-da! Okay, next. This is kiap for my potato chips that I can't finish always. And it's damn cheap. It's only $3 for like, how many of them?
26 pieces.
26 pieces of them, wow.
And we have a toilet brush.
Another one. Another one.
And a window cleaner.
Yeah, one is for basing. This is for basing. This is for toilet because toilet is green color, is ew.
Okay.
And this is really good for washing toilet. Just saying.
Okay.
And this is chopstick, which John refused to let me buy another set of 4. He said 4 sets of 2.
Yep.
So whoever that is coming our house, if you are not a pair, more than a pair, you are using disposable chopstick.
Bring your own.
Because John doesn't want to give you chopstick to use.
Next up, we have a chopping block. So when she makes me angry, I can chop her up and cook curry. Next.
If I die, right, you are the main criminal. This is the table mat, which John insists to have, okay? Which I'm like, okay lah. He said it makes cleaning table easier.
Because the food will be dirty on the mat, not on the table.
Okay. So he shall clean the table lah. Comment down below if it helps or anything that works better.
Next up, we have a huge box of utensils that only costs about $49.90. Comes with 30 pieces. And it's actually quite worth it. And it's quite heavy as well, which is what she prefers.
Heavy utensils feels premium. So I feel like I'm really like particular and I actually tested all the weights and this is one of the best.
We also have another chopping block to chop her up when I'm angry.
How you gonna chop me up? Oh, okay, so we bought 5 sets of 3 of light bulbs. What I really like about Ikea is that they actually let you test the different brightness, and we got warm white for our living room and kitchen light bulbs which we are currently using, and the corridor toilets we are using warm light. I'm not sure how am I gonna see myself showering, but John said no need so bright, so I guess.
You're not reading a book in a bathroom. It doesn't have to be so bright. If not, there's no lights. 省电.
Yeah, and it's really affordable. It's like, for one set, it's just $6 Sing, but outside one of it is $4.90. Not sure how long will it last. We'll keep you guys updated in other vlogs. Yes.
So last but not least, we have our batteries. Chargeable batteries from Ikea. So definitely you can save the earth and stop buying Energizer.
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 Yeah, stop buying like...
Sorry, I got the disease from her. Energizer. And oh, we also have this small little thing that we can put below the chest so that you not scratch your floor. It only costs $1. So
Yes.
cheap.
So that is our $400 SGD Ikea buy. Let us know, is it like, did we make the right choice buying the correct things, or what is your gotten the disease? Comment down below what is your favorite Ikea buy. in the comments box below.
And please like, share, and subscribe to this video. And we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Okay, cut!
Have a nice day!